Doing there, people? I just changed the oil in my 2014 Jeep Cherokee, and I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life. And this is the model that has the key. So what we're going to do here is go ahead and turn the car on, and oil change required. So it's pretty simple. The procedure is pretty simple. So the car's running now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the car off, and I'm going to turn the key once, twice, okay? And I'm not going to start it. I'm going to press the gas pedal down 5 times nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? After you do that, just turn the car off, and then you can go and turn it on and start it. And I have no more oil change life indication, so that's pretty much how you reset the light. If this information was useful, just go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Thanks. Bye.